Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix my AI not showing up on my Snapchat account. So first open your Snapchat and tap on your profile icon. So you can see here on the message settings or the chat settings, we cannot see that option of AI. So once you're on your profile, tap on the settings on the upper right and then scroll down. Then you can tap on the privacy control. Under it, we have there clear cache or clear data. Now in there, all you have to do is just to clear your cache. It might help by clearing your snapshot and it will restart, and probably it will appear, the my AI option will appear on your account. So once done, just go back to your chat, and if it's not yet available, all we can do is to go back to our profile settings and just send a message that you need help. And also you can tap on snapshot to explain that your AI is not available or you need to fix it, it's not working on your phone. So just send them a message or a screenshot. You can type here shake to report, enable that one, and then report a bug. And then you can choose a topic from there, send an attachment and explain what happened or what's wrong with your Snapchat account. All you have to do is to wait for a couple of days for them to address your concern. Now, after reporting, if still it's not to say, it's the same thing, it's not yet showing, what we can do is to make sure that our Snapchat is updated. So you have to check that if it needs to be updated and just update it. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.